Canon on the verge of flipping the script by eliminating the mechanical shutter on the upcoming Canon R7 Mark II? Photographers, videographers, and gear aficionados are buzzing with speculation, and for good reason. If this rumor turns out to be true, we're witnessing not just a model upgrade but a paradigm shift for mirrorless APS-C cameras. The R7 legacy and the revolution ahead. Their original Canon R7 made its mark with a crisp 32.5 megapixel sensor, speedy dual pixel AF, and impressively fast burst shooting. It bridged the gap between high-res capture and agile performance, making it a favorite among wildlife photographers craving reach and hybrid shooters wanting versatility. Now, anticipation is mounting for the R7 Mark II, expected late in 2025 or early 2026, fueled by whispers of a stacked APS-C sensor that could eliminate the mechanical shutter entirely. Why a stacked sensor matters. The term stacked sensor refers to an advanced architecture where multiple layers, including processing and memory, are integrated behind the photosensitive surface. The benefit? Blazing fast data readout speeds, vastly reducing the risk of rolling shutter artifacts and making electronic-only operation not just possible but preferable. Nikon's flagship mirrorless models, the Z8 and Z9, and Sony's Alpha 9 Mark III have already embraced this shift, demonstrating that full reliance on an electronic shutter can yield stunning results with minimal distortion. Advantages of going shutterless. Silent shooting bliss. No more mechanical curtain, just whisper quiet. Performance. Ideal for wildlife, weddings, live performances, or any scenario where silence is gold. Exceptional burst speeds. No physical barrier speeds up continuous shooting dramatically, think 40 frames per second or more, delivering more decisive moments per second. Greater reliability and durability. Mechanical shutters wear out, typically rated for a couple 100,000 actuations. Electronic shutters? Virtually indefinite lifespan. No shutter shock vibration. The subtle yet real vibration from a moving shutter can impact image precision, especially at slower speeds. Gone with the electronic curtain, reduced size and weight without the need for bulky mechanical components. Bodies can be more compact, lighter, and streamlined for ergonomic handling, the hurdles to overcome despite the compelling benefits. A fully electronic design still has hurdles. Rolling shutter risks remain. Extreme panning, high-speed action, or artificial lighting can still stretch frames or introduce distortions, though top-tier stacked sensors mitigate much of this. Flash sync complications. Mechanical shutters allow faster sync speeds. Electronics still struggle. While Nikon and Sony have made strides with high-speed sync, many pros favor mechanical reliability under studio strobes, sensor protection and maintenance. Mechanical shutters double as dust shields when the camera is off or the lens is removed. Without them, the sensor is exposed. Nikon's Z8/Z9 incorporate a sensor shield that closes for protection. Canon may need a similar response. What else might the R7 Mark II bring? Putting shutter debate aside, rumors point to other power-packed upgrades: a 32.5 megapixel stacked APS-C sensor, improving resolution and low-light performance, dual-pixel CMOS AF2, for lightning-fast and reliable autofocus across stills and video. 0.5-axis in-body image stabilization, smoothing handheld shooting and video capture. 4K/120 FPS video, enriched with Canon Log 3 or C-Log 3 for robust color grading. 0.6K external ProRes RAW recording, aimed squarely at cinematic creators, dual UHS, 2 card slots, balancing speed and redundancy. A refreshed body that's lighter, refined, and ergonomically optimized for hybrid workflows. If Canon delivers on these, the R7 Mark II could be a powerhouse not just for APS-C shooters, but for anyone wanting premium speed and flexibility in a compact body. Community pulse, embrace or resist. This move isn't just technical, it's emotional. Some enthusiasts relish the idea of silent, ultra-fast capture with fewer moving parts. Others cling to the tactile satisfaction and reliability of that satisfying shutter click. Let's break it down. Pros love the stealth, speed, and reliability of an all-electronic system, ideal for discrete shooting and rapid action capture. Traditionalists value the mechanical shutter's familiarity and proven track record. Especially for flash-heavy or unpredictable environments, this is more than gearbox talk. It's about heritage versus progress, the shutterless future, balance or brinkmanship. Canon's rumored shift toward a shutterless R7 Mark II mirrors the industry's fast-paced motion toward mirrorless innovation. Whether the future favors purely electronic mechanisms or keeps hybrid options alive depends on how Canon balances technical ambition with user trust. Hybrid systems, offering both mechanical and electronic shutters, may still matter. Even as silent, speedy electronics take center stage, your voice matters. Are you ready to embrace a shutterless Canon R7 Mark II? Does silent, lightning-fast shooting win you over, or do you feel nothing beats the familiar click and the reassurance It brings, whether you're an amateur just starting out or a seasoned pro, your perspective helps shape the narrative around camera evolution, why this matters for your gear decisions, thinking of upgrading or choosing your next camera. Here's why the R7 Mark II matters: speed, noise control, and durability redefine reliability for travel, sports, or wildlife shooters. IBIS and ProRes RAW broaden creative video opportunities for creators, dual slots and ergonomic design support. Workflows from studio to adventure. Keep watching gear reviews, hands-on tests, and pro commentary to make informed choices for your creative path. Final thoughts: the Canon R7 Mark II isn't just a rumored upgrade, it might be a milestone indicating the next era of mirrorless design. A stacked sensor and the removal of a mechanical shutter? That's more than speculation, it's a bold statement. The promise: speed, silence, and innovation. The concern: what happens when tradition gets unplugged? In the ongoing story of photography, this camera could be a plot twist that reshapes what's possible. Whether you're ready to leap forward or prefer familiar safeguards, the debate matters.